One of the things that I like to say is that I want you to learn in this class that these are things that what we talk about in management is not just for companies, that it is for your personal life as well. And so on the story of the family going to Abu Dhabi, on this story where the grandfather is going to Abu Dhabi in one car and the brother is going in another car. Sina made a great video on that for you that you've already seen. In that story, the decision to go to Abu Dhabi is planning. Deciding that the grandfather's going to drive one car and that the brother's going to drive another car, that's organizing. Figuring out what you're going to, figuring out how you're going to get there, what you're going to eat when you get there, that's organizing. Leading is convincing the younger brother or sister it's going to be a good trip. You're inspiring, you're motivating them, that's leadership. And then control is the grandpa, it's okay to go a little bit faster than 80. We kind of want to get there. Or being in the back seat of the car and playing a video, playing on your phone and looking up and realizing that your ridiculous brother is driving on the wrong road and saying to him, "Do you realize we're on the wrong road?" What we do in this class is not just for companies. The things we talk about in here is for your life.